What if I told you this image isn't a photo at all? It's completely generated by AI, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create jaw-dropping, hyper-realistic cinematic portraits, just like this. Look at those piercing blue eyes, the wet hair sticking to the forehead, the water dripping down his face. This looks like a movie poster, right? But nope, it's all done inside ChatGPT with AI image generation. Stick with me till the end, because I'll reveal the exact secret prompt that can transform any ordinary idea into a professional, Hollywood-style portrait, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Step 1. Open ChatGPT with image generation enabled. Step 2. Type in a cinematic description, but here's the trick. Don't just say make a man's photo. Instead, go super detailed like this. A hyper-realistic, cinematic close-up portrait of a man with piercing blue eyes, face covered in water droplets, dramatic lighting, ultra-detailed 8K, photorealistic textures. That's the magic formula. The more detailed and cinematic your words, the more realistic your image becomes. And boom! Just look at the difference. Ordinary text turned into a masterpiece that looks straight out of a blockbuster movie. Asterisk now, here's the exact secret prompt I used, but before I drop it, hit that like button so you don't lose it later.